My dogs were barking at something over here. What is it? Oh, that's a zombie. That's 10 zombies. Oh man, I got just the thing for this. Oh man, I've been waiting for this day. Welcome to the Pokemon Squad. My name's John. We're shining the light of Christ, one ride at a time. We're back with the Uforce 800 XL. Big Bertha here, and today we got a video. I've done a lot of accessory videos. I've done a lot of accessory videos with Starknight MT, the sponsor of today's video. A great, awesome brand. I think half the stuff on my machine is made by them. But we've got a dirty word, and I don't even know if I can say it today. So I'm going to just say it. You know, kids, close your ears. I'm not sure if I'll get in trouble for it. We're going to talk about installing a gun rack. Okay, I don't know if that got bleeped out or not. If it got bleeped out, it's only because I had to redo this video. Today, we've got a gun rack from Starknight MT. This may get me banned as well. We've got a couple here to try out inside of this. They might be blurred out if I couldn't do it, but we're gonna just go for it. I don't know, you know, what you can and cannot show, like my address here. Let's see what we've got in here. It's not a big complicated setup. It's a pretty simple, just kind of glancing at it. It just attaches to your roll bar and then just gives you a little mount. So nothing crazy there. Then it just kind of straps over it. They've just got, I don't know if that's a barrel or what. That's it. So let's just see what we've got in the box. I don't know if that's just packing material, if that's actually something we might use. Got some Allen wrenches. We've got some little bolts here. Here's our actual mounts. Good size. They're already really put all together. I guess I'm kind of curious what you need any of this other stuff for. You just kind of just strap it on there. Got another one wrapped up here. Looks like it's good quality. It's good and sturdy, that's for sure. And then we've got a bunch of, I guess, spacers is what you'd call it. And so really the only thing we have to do is loosen these up, clamp them to our bar, and then we'll put a gun right here. So let's get to it. So the first thing we're going to do, just take our little Allen wrench. There are two of them. The big one looks to be for this. I guess so you could turn it, you know, any way you'd like it to be. We're just going to take this all the way off. Even though they were so kind as to put it together for us, we're going to remove it. Got some long-winded screws. That's always good. If they back out a little bit, you want them to definitely stay. So, like I said, I don't know how much I can actually say or show. So, if you see something blurred out or bleeped out, that's why. Because I know YouTube's famous for, you know, kind of being pretty picky on these kind of subjects, which I'm not sure why. We're just obeying the Second Amendment here. All right, let's go put it on. All right, hopefully you can see what I see. Now I've got this Starknight MT soundbar up here as well. And so hopefully this will still work. I just dropped most of my stuff down here. But the first thing I'm going to see is how much, you know, how much rubber do I need? So that fits there just fine. But I wonder, I think would be better kind of doing it this way and then flipping this around like this. Hopefully you can see what I did there. it's not tightened all the way down so I could twist it. I think that's going to do me better. I'll have this in the back seat, just like this. And I'll show you a better angle here in a minute. So you can rotate it around. I believe that the actual little rubber pieces that were pre-installed are the skinniest, and I believe that that's what will work best for my particular application. Okay, so I've just got it loosely mounted on there, just in case, because you want to put it, you know, where your gun actually will line up right. As far as the clearance goes, it's fine, as long as your gun's going to be longer than the sound bar. I don't know, maybe you could get it up there above the sound bar, but I'm not sure. But I mean, as far as that goes, though, I think that should be fine. Let's get the other one mounted and see what we got going on. All right, so these are still just loosely attached. I'm not going to tighten them up until I figure out that's where I want them. I've just got them as close to the Starknight MT soundbar, one of them. Look right there. So let's mount our tool. Oops. Can I do it one-handed? Let's find out. There we go. All right, our tool fits just fine, and we would just pull this tight on both sides. But let's see if we can get banned off YouTube and try a different tool. That's a better tool. What do you think? Let's get this thing tightened up. And if we need a more ambidextrous tool, let's see if this will fit. Oh yeah, I think that'll work. I think we can dig a good ditch with that one. There you go. It's on there. Probably should have used 2 rubber pieces. I may take them off and just try to squeeze 2 rubber pieces on, so it will be a little more stable. If you wonder, you know, how much of a pain is it to put those little screws in with the roof right up there? It's all the pain. That's not their fault though. That's not Starknight MT's fault. I could take the roof off. I just really don't want to, but by the time you're done twisting on the screws, you think maybe I should have. All right, so let's get some tools up there, a gun or 2 again, and just strap it down and get a final look. All right, that bad boy ain't going nowhere now. I gotta say, it looks pretty good in there. If you can see this, I may have to edit it out. Now, you probably won't be carrying this around much unless you're going hog hunting, but I don't know why this wouldn't work. Good for that. What do you think, guys? Pretty sweet, if I do say so myself. I may put this in here, that way if they want to show it in a video on how to do it, maybe they won't get in trouble. All right, guys. Hopefully, you know, if this is up to your speed, it's really inexpensive. It doesn't cost much at all. Not hard to install. It just takes a while to work those little screws. You may have to take your roof off depending on your machine. You don't have to with 800XL, but it is a little tedious. All right, thank you so much, Starknight MT, for another awesome product. Until next time, don't forget Jesus loves you so much, he died for you. All the honor and glory goes to God. Good night, good pools. God bless.